You are going to love the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.